Back, guys. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I edit my video. So first I go to Procreate, select a drawing to edit. Of course, drawings are not videos unless you do animation, like this one. This is a rotoscope, but yeah, like this one. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna edit this drawing because you can go, if you go in Procreate, you can go here to the wrench. You can export time-lapse replay how you do the drawing. So this is mine. This is just too long. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, let me export this full length. Who wants a 30-second video? Wait, you wanna? No, come on. Cancel, save video. Yeah, okay, so then I go to Premiere Rush, Adobe Premiere Rush, and I create a new media. So I already this one. Let me delete it so I have an infinite storage. Create Premiere Media. Okay, so this is supposed to be like that. First, it shows. Let's split. Yeah, this part's delete. Wait. Let's do it better. No, cancel. Split. That. Select. This is gonna be difficult. Just yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. After this, I go to this T with a sticker behind it. Add graphic, and I choose this. Add, and then loading content, and it should be like that. Yeah. I want it just a little bit slower. I mean faster. Yeah, because I think I like more when it's fast, smooth. At least that's what I like. Then we add this transition, so this is how it's supposed to work out. Content. Then there's this transition. So the transition, we add the title. Actually, 2 titles. I don't want it there. Okay, yeah, that's. Is that how I want it, like that? 87 followers on Instagram. Yeah. Okay, yeah, to both. And I think, why do you have 2 of these? Well, I'm gonna show you just a second. This part. Okay, yeah, let me insert the title. Let's do, first, no. Go on Instagram to see the final result. Yeah. Oh, it's too big. Just so on Instagram. Yeah, and then you see the final result. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah. Insert title. Thanks for. Then we had to enter because it can't, it's too long. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. There we go, and it should work out like that. Good. Yeah. Oh. One last thing. I wanted to do this a little bit faster. Let's see this one. Let's see like that. No, a little faster. No. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, there we go. Now I just share it. See the quality seconds. Oh, let's do it. This shouldn't take a lot because it's not that long. If you do like something that is 3 minutes, it's gonna take it's gonna take some. Done. Set the camera done. Now I go to iMovie. Delete this. Movie. This one. Yeah, we have it now. I think, why did I go on iMovie? Well, because I'm gonna add a song, and this song is gonna be like, I would like to have like something from anime. Because I don't watch anime. What is this? It's a demo. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that was kind of good. Not the best, but oh, what is this? And that's the music. So this one I'm gonna do here. As soon as I finish this. Yeah, I was trying to just a brush. Here, let me split it and gonna put sound effects on the theme. So oh, that's from Spirited Away. That's just another version. Here. Split. And yeah, here to split. I like that. So basically, before it ended all black, and now for some reason it ends with a blue stroke. So yeah, and here are sound effects on theme. Okay, here I'm gonna take it off. Where's the part? That is so fast. That's so slow. Oh, it's all 0.5. Okay, here I'm gonna add another song. And that song is gonna be, I think, no. No, that's just too kiddish. No. No, never happened. No. Yeah, just nothing. Okay, I'm gonna. Wait, what was that? This was sentimental. Chill. No, that's like very calm. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, done. Let's save this video. Okay, this is gonna take a while, but it's for the channel. So yeah. Probably not that. Wait, what? Like I'm in the farther. I'm like in the room where there's no internet, and it's just too like. Why? Sometimes the iPad glitched. Let's see. Let's see if it's really saved. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's go to YouTube. Next. And yeah, create title. Anime. Manga. Eyes. Your anime. Manga. Anime. Eyes. Okay, so yeah. Then we got follow. Error. Oh my gosh. We she draws. And editor Vincent Oliver art. Okay, so next we have editors app. Oh, wait. First I oh my god. No, we're writing what am I writing? This goes. Oh, okay. Rush. Okay. /A. Okay, that's all. No. Music. It was. It's a demo. Don't mind. It's a demo. Very calm. It's a demo. Okay, yeah. Very calm. It's a demo. No, like very calm. Add playlist sad. I don't know. Song funny happy. sad and happy, guys. Difficult and easy. Makes sense, guys. And next, why do always have to put no, it's not made for kids? Like, who wants it for kids? Let's see, oh, and when it's processing, go to YouTube Studio. What is here? Okay. And so let's go to content. Hey, YouTube Studio. Okay, thumbnail. Of course, I need to add a thumbnail. I can zoom on that. No, this is better. Let me change it to this one. Save. Let's see. Yeah, and that's all. Oh. Okay, so yeah, and I want to tell you, according to YouTube, only 7.5% who watch me are actually subscribed, and 92.5 are not subscribed who watch me. So yeah, this is last 7 days. That's better. Actually, this is a better actually. 50.1, 80. Yeah, so if you consider, if you end up enjoying this video and other videos, consider subscribing. Helps me out a ton. And yeah, bye guys. See you in the next one.